Yes, I am convinced that there are anomalous projects. Also, the fact that it's quite suspect, for me lang, I'm talking on a personal basis, that we have all these policies in place that require you to coordinate. If you really want the project to be successful, the local government can be very helpful with regards to that. And I'll just give you one example. May isang engineer na nagsabi, ang dahilan kung bakit hindi siguro pinaalam kasi may mga informal settlers, so doon na lang nilagay sa creek kasi madugo pa kung they have to deal pa with the informal settlers, no, or acquiring land. But these are things that the local government can help with. We have housing projects where we can relocate informal settlers. We have the mandate to purchase or acquire land for public work. So these are things we could have worked on together had there been proper coordination and transparency. So for me, yes, I find it quite suspect na hindi sila nagko-coordinate when very clearly hindi po kami nagkulang sa kanila na kailangan po talaga natin makipagtulungan, no, para maging matagumpay yung proyekto.